Hello, everyone. Welcome to Literacy Lab. I'm Charles Matheson, your online reading tutor. Today, we are going to write with adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes something. Today's word is bright. Bright means to give off a lot of light. When we describe a word, we can use pictures to help us describe words. Let's look at the pictures closely. We're going to look for colors. So I see in this picture, this light looks blue. In this color, this light looks a little orange. And this light in this picture, it looks yellow. That's the sun. We're also going to look at the shape. So the shape that this light is giving from the sun, it has a round shape. This looks like, it's hard to tell, so we're not gonna use shape. This one looks like a straight line. So there are different ways that we can describe something we're talking about. And some of the ways that we can describe items we're talking about are colors, texture, that's how something feels, the size, the shape, the height. All right, so let's look at the sample paragraph. It says, a flashlight is bright. It looks small. People use it to see in places that are dark. I used a flashlight in my room during a slumber party. Parents, if you want your child to follow along, please have your child use a pencil, and you can download the book in the description for this video. All right, so we're now going to write with something, a sentence with bright, but we're going to pick something else other than a flashlight because we already wrote about a flashlight. Let's write about the sun. All right, so what is something bright? Well, the sun is bright. The sun is bright. Okay. Describe what it looks like. Well, the sun looks like a circle. So I'm going to write, it looks like a circle. It looks like a circle. Period. Next question. What do you know about it? What do I know about the sun? Well, I know that it's a light in the sky. Okay. The sun is a light in the sky. What is your experience with it? Well, that means, what do you know about the sun that happened in the past? The past is something that already happened. Well, let's see. What do I know about the sun in the past? Well, I saw the sun today. All right. So I saw the sun today. So now we have 4 sentences, and we can use these 4 sentences to make a paragraph. A paragraph needs to have at least 3 to 5 sentences for beginning writers. Okay, so our sentences are the sun is bright. It looks like a circle. The sun is a light in the sky. I saw the sun today. So now we're going to put that into paragraph form. So paragraph is a group of sentences that we write right after the other. So the first sentence, the sun is bright, period. Then I'm going to write the next sentence right after it. It looks like a circle. Next sentence. The sun is a light in the sky. I saw the sun today. I saw the sun today. So we have our paragraph. So I wrote each sentence, first sentence, then I began the next sentence. I finished the sentence, I put the period, then I continued the next sentence, I put a period, and then I continued the next sentence, okay? So this is what a paragraph looks like. All right, good job if you're following along. And parents, if you're following along, what you can have your child do, you can have them write about a street light on their own. The next thing we're going to do, we are going to examine the main idea. What is the main idea? The main idea is what a text is mostly about. The main idea covers everything that is written in a text, okay? So when you're trying to find the main idea, you want to not look at or disregard the things that make no sense. Sometimes main idea question writers will try to trick readers. Another thing you want to do is reread the passage several times if you're not getting it, and read the text out loud. That really helps to build understanding with the reading. All right, so let's look at number 6. It says, oh, we got to read the instructions first. It says, circle the main idea. So number 6 says, people use forks to get a grip of food. Spoons are used for liquids. Knives are used to cut. I sometimes eat with my friends. People eat with utensils to do different things. Well, I see knives are used to cut. Some spoons are used for liquids. I know that a spoon and a knife is a utensil. A utensil is something people use when they're eating. So the answer is going to be people eat utensils to do different things, because knives are used to cut, spoons are used for liquid, forks are used to get a grip on food. All right, congratulations if you got that one. Number 7, video games have stages. The beginning is usually easy. The middle stage gets challenging. The last stage is usually the hardest. I enjoy the middle stage of video games the most. I like to be first when I race at the playground. All the stages make video games fun. Okay, so I like to be first at the playground. That makes no sense. The writer was trying to trick me, so I'm going to cross that out. So I see here that it says the beginning is easy, the middle stage, then it says the last stage. All right, so it's definitely talking about the stages of a video game. So It says video games have stages. All the stages make video games fun. Okay, so this one, all stages make video games fun, talks about everything because all the stages of a video game make it fun. Congratulations if you got that one. Let's look at the next one. It says, gardens are places of great beauty. Roses please the eye with their red color. Lilies are white and smell lovely. Tall green trees provide a cool area from the heat of the sun. Bees can often be found in gardens. The smell of gardens is pleasing to the nose. So, what doesn't belong is this one. Bees can often be found in gardens. That kind of doesn't really go with everything else. Okay, so it says gardens are places of beauty. Roses please the eye. Lilies are white and lovely. Tall green trees provide a cool area from the heat of the sun. So all of these things sound like they're really pretty. So I'm going to go with the first sentence. Gardens are places of great beauty because it covers everything. Congratulations if you got that one. Number 9. Some go to the beach to swim. Some go to lie on the sand. Others go to get a tan. I like to have picnics on the beach. The water in the ocean is cold. People go to the beach for varied reasons. All right, so I see here they're definitely trying to trick me again. It says that the water in the ocean is cold. That doesn't make sense because all of the other sentences are talking what people do at the beach. They go to swim, lie on the sand, get a tan. So these are all reasons people go to the beach. So the answer is going to be people go to the beach for varied reasons. Congratulations if you got that one right. Let's look at the last one. The Smith family enjoys having barbecues. They put food on a grill to cook. Their dog always sleeps. They play games. They listen to music and dance. The Smith family does many things during their barbecues. Well, what I'm seeing here is that their dog always sleeps. Come on. This doesn't have anything to do with the family having barbecues. So I also see they put food on a grill. They listen to music and dance. They play games. So these are things that they do. So it could be the Smith family enjoys having barbecues, or the Smith family does many things during the barbecue. Well, this one makes the most sense. The Smith family does many things during their barbecues because it tells us they play games, they listen to music, they put food on the grill, so they're doing things. So that one covers everything. So I hope you learned something today, and parents, please feel free to have your child do these on their own. And if you're interested in your child getting more individual attention, please visit us at wbcoaching.net to see the services we offer for all learners. Thank you for watching.